Today, I'm going to show you how to create Baruffio's Brain Elixir, which is a potion from Harry Potter Wizards Unite. The things we will need to make our potion is 1 glass bottle with a cork, and I actually picked this one up at the dollar store, and it was pretty much the exact shape I wanted the bottle to be so that it would match the potion from Wizards Unite. And then we will need a cup and spoon for mixing, as well as a plastic piping bag or a Ziploc bag with the corner cut off. That's optional, but honestly it makes life a whole lot easier trying to get the ingredients into the bottle. And then we will need some styling gel, and I again prefer the brand from the dollar store. It's nice and thick, it holds its consistency. This is called Excess, and I'll put a link for this styling gel in the description down below if you don't have a Dollar Tree near you. We will need some cording, and I'm using this leathery looking cording because again it's similar to the one that is in the video game. We will need some lime green and regular green food coloring, and I am using the gel kind. And finally, our label printed on sticker paper, and the link for this is in the description down below. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our piping bag, and we are just going to put it over our container. I'm using a beaker just so that it makes it a little easier to fill. Then we're going to take our styling gel, and we are just going to fill it up. And once we get it filled, we're going to add some of our green and lime green food coloring and mix it up. Okay, so I think I want to add just a little bit more of the regular green just to make it a hair less limey. And once we've mixed to our desired color, we can just remove our piping bag. And we're ready to pipe. Okay, so the next thing you'll need to do, and this is optional, but it'll get it to be the closest representation, is to drill a hole in your cork. And my husband helped me do this, and we found the best way to do it without it destroying the cork was to push down on the top of the cork, have it actually in the bottle so it secured it, and then just to drill the hole. And it did just fine. So we actually drilled this one with a 9/64 inch drill bit, and that's what size fit my cording, which if you decide to get the same or similar cording as I did, which I picked mine up at Michael's, I believe on the back here it says that it's 0.07 inches and then it's 3 yards worth of cording. Once we have our hole through the cork, then we're going to take our cording, and I have taken some tape and wrapped around there to just kind of give it a kind of needle effect, so it will help me to push my cording through the hole in the cork. And I am by no means any type of knot expert, anything like that. I have members of my family that are pretty avid with knots. My dad and my sister are really good with them. I'm just kind of winging this so that it looks similar to the one in the game. So all I'm going to do is tie a little crossover here. I'm going to wrap this around. And then I'm going to just start to go around the little tie that we made. And I'm going to continue to do that to create some loops. And once I have the amount of loops I want, I'm then just going to take all of my cording and go back through the loops so that I can make the knot on the one side. Now that our cording is wrapped the way we'd like it to be, we're then going to take our label that, again, I like to print on sticker paper, and I go around the outside edge, as I've stated before, with the same color marker, just so it kind of gives it more of a finished look. And then we're just going to peel the backing paper off and place it on our bottle. And there you have it, our Baruffio's Brain Elixir, which gives you double experience points for traces, Portkeys, and wizarding challenges. If you guys like this video and would like to see more potions from Harry Potter Wizards Unite, leave a comment down below. And if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.